Hello my friends, and welcome back to another video here on a sneaky day trip. This is part 2 of our original trip to PENMAENMAWR Quarry, where we reached a new level that we hadn't reached before. Coming up in this video you'll see all the spectacular drone footage. I say spectacular as in it really does showcase the location overlooking the North Wales coast. Arguably you could say it's one of the best views on North Wales, certainly for this part of the area anyway, due to the main height and the overall view you get. Also on the video will be the stills from the first video, which were non-showing. Anyhow, I hope you enjoy the video, and a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated, and I hope to see you next time. So until then, thanks for watching. Cheers, see you later.